thunderstorm jolts Fern Arable awake in the middle of the night. A healthy young pig named, does anybody know?
Charlotte. Wilbur.
Wilbur. Thank you.
Fern, it's time for the pig to go. I can't have you keeping what will soon be a 200-pound pet around the house.
Can we make herself known?
Pipe down, and I'll come to
Gray Spider lowers herself from the corner of the doorway.
Children, look around you at all of Wilbur's friends. How does that make you feel? Wow! The web!
Oh, magnificent!
Whoa, what's the word? Uncle.
Mr. Arable,
Oh, yes?
would you come this way, please?
Well, I guess so. Come on, Wilbur. Oh, come on.
The crowd cheers as Mr. Arable and Mr. Zuckerman escort Wilbur to the grandstand, just as the fair official begins his speech. Head and spin a silk balloon that carries it into the air.
Wait! Wait!
As baby spiders fill the air, Wilbur becomes frantic. In despair, he returns to the barn, and then he hears a little voice.
Salutations!
Wilbur looks around.